Beyond the ordinary, mastering irregular comparatives and superlatives. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to another engaging session on the English language. Today, we'll be delving deep into the world of irregular comparatives and superlatives. These are exceptions to the regular rules of comparison, making them a bit tricky, but absolutely essential to master. When we talk about irregular forms, we're referring to words that don't follow the general rule of adding "er" for comparative and "est" for superlative forms. Some examples are good, better, best, and bad, worse, worst. Do you notice the pattern here? Right, there isn't one. These words completely change their form, and that's why we call them irregular. Now that we know what irregular forms are, let's look at some of the most common ones. 1. Good, better, best. These are irregular forms of good. 2. Bad, worse, worst. These are regular forms of bad. 3. Far, further, farther, furthest, farthest. Yes, far has two sets of irregular forms. 4. Little, less, least. These are regular forms of little when we talk about size or amount. 5. Many, much, more, most. More and most are regular forms for both many and much. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these irregular forms. Using these words correctly in sentences will help you become comfortable with them. Let's practice a few examples. 1. My coffee is good, but hers is better. In fact, she makes the best coffee in town. 2. His performance was bad, but mine was worse. Tom had the worst performance, though. 3. The mountain is far, but the ocean is farther. The moon is the farthest. 4. She has little patience, but I have less. Our brother has the least patience of all. 5. I have much respect for you, but I have more respect for her. However, I have the most respect for my parents. While working with irregular comparatives and superlatives, avoid making the mistake of adding "er" or "est" to these words. For instance, you shouldn't say gooder or goodest. It's always better and best. And that's it, folks. We've tackled the intriguing realm of irregular comparatives and superlatives today. Remember, English is full of such exciting irregularities, and mastering them will add depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll find that you're getting better and better, until one day you're simply the best. Happy learning!